To lock applications on your Xiaomi 17 Pro, simply open the settings, and then within the settings, scroll down and find the apps option. Select that, and then you should see the app lock option. Tap on it, and then from here you have to set the password type for the app lock. So the password type is the security lock. You can select that, and also you can choose between security lock or the privacy protection password. So for me, I'll just leave it at security lock, and then select turn on, and then type in your security lock. So type it in, and then you should see these are the default applications that will be locked whenever you enable app lock. So simply tap on use app lock, and then now you can find the applications that you'd like to lock. So let's say, for instance, if I want to lock this application, simply tap on that, and that will lock the applications. And you can do the same for all the other applications that are currently available. So let's say the themes, you can simply select that, and that will lock the application. So whenever you launch the application, so let me just find it. So if you launch the application, it should give you this screen lock verification. So you have to type in the password so that you can use the application. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.